Welcome to NPM Tech. Cool tools you didn't know about before. Wolfcraft Scraper. This scraper lets you remove dirt and unwanted residues from delicate surfaces like soft wood or car paint without causing any damage. The tool offers you two different plastic blades in the grades hard and medium for this. This means that you always have the right tool on hand, depending on how delicate the surface is. The plastic casing has an integrated blade compartment with two replacement blades of each grade. Blade changes are performed quickly and without tools. Makita 18 volts LXT Grease Gun. The 18 volts LXT Grease Gun Kit is an ideal cordless solution for the workshop or garage. The powerful Makita built motor delivers up to 10,000 psi of max pressure. With a maximum flow rate of 10 ounces per minute, users can work faster. There are two speed modes, low and auto speed, that are adjusted by a variable speed trigger. A lock-on button provides convenience during longer work periods. The XPGO1 SR1 features a 47 1/4 flexible hose for greater access to reach fittings, an air bleed valve to assist in faster pump priming, and built-in LED lights to locate hard-to-see grease fittings. A stand-up design and shoulder strap provide increased comfort on the job. Ryobi USB Lithium Power Cutter. Ryobi introduces the USB Lithium Power Cutter. The USB Lithium Power Cutter features a self-sharpening blade that powers through a variety of materials including cardboard, plastic, carpet, rubber, and leather. For unmatched precision, the integrated guideline allows users to create precise, clean cuts. This product features an LED indicator to signal when the battery is charged or has low battery while in use. The USB Lithium Power Cutter is a part of the USB Lithium system that provides compact, portable, rechargeable solutions for cordless power and productivity. McElroy Poly Porter. The Poly Porter was created from the mind of a pipeline contractor. It is an innovative workhorse that tackles the job of handling pipe in the field. The Poly Porter combines the mechanical advantage of a dolly with the functionality of a pipe stand to create one of the most useful pipeline tools. One person can easily load a length of pipe without strain. The pipe can then be pushed easily through the roller-equipped hook arm into the fusion machine. The jack enables the operator to raise and lower the Poly Porter to level the pipe in uneven terrain to the height of the machine. Milescraft Grabber Pro. Grabber Pro is the ultimate adjustable push block, ideal for use on table saws, router tables, joiners, and even band saws. Designed with control, precision, and safety in mind. The multi-leg design allows the Grabber Pro to pass over both sides of a saw blade, keeping contact with the workpiece and helping reduce kickback. The angled handles provide superior control all the way through the cut, keeping you and your fingers protected. Grabber Pro is a must-have for every woodworker, whether you're a DIYer or a pro. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.